Guys, today I'm going to show you how to distribute even spacing between the objects in Affinity version 3. So first of all, let's create a new page. Take whatever you want. And now we are going to take some, let's say, rectangle tool. Let's play. Okay, that's not great. Never mind. Okay, press Ctrl J to duplicate it. And for example, let's put them in this side. And now, if we want to manually do this, we should put guides here and here and here and here, and we would need to do this manually, which is pretty hard. I will just change the color for a better visibility. So, with all three objects selected, go to Layer, Arrange, Align, and here is the option Distribute Horizontally. And now you can see 15.7 here and 15.7 here. If you want to increase it, just move the last object in the row. And now select all three objects and redo the process. So now the spacing is bigger. Or if you want a shorter distance, shorter range between the objects, just move the last object to the left side. And now just check 21, that's it, yeah. If you want to do this horizontally, the process is absolutely the same. We will create a new rectangle. Let's say like this, Ctrl J, Ctrl J. Yeah, let's do this. The process is absolutely the same. Just in the align section, press distribute vertically. And now you can see that there is equal distance between these three objects. Thank you for watching.